So, what should be probably the easiest job in the world to change over the hinges on my Subcold fridge. However, whatever they put them in with, you can't get them out because I've tried everything. Manually, this one now is sheared. I've tried the electric drill, I've tried hand screwdriver, like this section here, just to give you an example. So it torques up the highest it can be on screwdriver mode in high speed. Not enough torque for it, absolute joke. They must be put in with some sort of machine because that's impossible to get out. So perhaps you'd like to tell me, Subcold, how I change the door hinge over and how I remove that piece there, because to me that's impossible, and now I've got a sheared bolt. So perhaps you'd like to give me an explanation on that one.
Okay, inside the fridge at the top, you've got the switch on the side. That turns the light on and off. Let's keep that on a minute. Got a bottle shelf. Yeah, in my review, I would prefer normal shelving to stack the cans on. But you know what? On a bottle shelf, you can put bottles. Down at the bottom, it is quite narrow in depth. You can fit 2 cans in. But then you've got a section where I'll assume is where the cooling unit is. And behind here, you've got the controls for the temperature down there. But you know what? For money and for the size, this is a really good fridge that I'm happy with.